Hey guys, Chichi here. Welcome back. Yes, you read the title correctly. We have a Fendace unboxing. I didn't think I would be buying anything this major from the Fendace collection, but yeah, we're here. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if you like that sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on the gram and TikTok. So there's a whole story that went along with the Fendace launch. Of course, it launched a couple of weeks ago, and I think it was because of FOMO. I was going to buy the baguette, and I was just like, the spirit wasn't moving me. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get it. Took it out my cart. So I started poking around and everything like that, and I saw a pair of sunglasses that I really liked, added those to cart, paid, and then I got hit with an email saying that my order was canceled. So I was just like, guess my dreams of Fendace is over. Fast forward weeks later, I'm on the Versace site trying to look for earrings, which these actually fit the bill. I decided to go and look at the Fendace collection because I don't know why I never looked at the Versace side of Fendace, but I was on the site and I was like, let's see what's going on around here, and saw something that I did not see on the original Fendi site. Let's unbox it first and then we'll talk about it. So it came in this box. I really hope I have the good packaging. Yes, I was so nervous that I wasn't going to get like the Fendace packaging because we're weeks from it, but I got the envelope with all my information in it. We got the Fendace. Look at the packaging. I really didn't think I was going to get the packaging though. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm excited now. I'm excited. Oh no! I got a shopping bag, but I didn't get a box. No. I wanted the box. That's disappointing. You think I could call up and get a box? Because I want a box for this item. Okay. We gotta focus on the good. Here is the dust bag. I got the camera bag. She's a little cute little something. Okay, she's very, very tiny. Oh man, I really wanted the box. We can't be wrapped up in the box, girl. Okay, so I saw this on the Versace website and I was like, she might be able to rock this. So I was like, okay, let me go to YouTube and try to find a video. And I only saw one person unbox this and the girl never put it on. So I was really, really nervous about the strap of this. It's exactly like the packaging on the back. There's nothing but the D-rings for the hooks. And you have this hardware with the Fendi and the Medusa. So inside, it's nice and stuffed. You actually have card holders. You have 3 slots. Then you have the Fendace patch right there. Now this does come with a strap. So on the belt, it does have Fendi on it. I'm really, really nervous because y'all know I'm plus size and I really hope this thing can fit somewhat cross body-ish. Okay. It feels like it might be something. Let me stand back. So this is how it's looking on the longest setting. I mean, it's hitting okay. Nothing too bad. I'm not a crossbody girl, but you know, it's working. Let's see, as a shoulder bag, you know, shoulder bag, I'ma always kill it. So, bam, that's how she looks on the shoulder. So, okay, we're okay. We're okay. Yeah, what do you guys think crossbody wise? I think it's pretty okay. Crossbody for the plus size gals, we can do it. On the model, they were doing it crossbody, like very tight up against the tit. I did end up going back to the Fendi site and I did see this. It's a part of the men's collection. See, this is why you always gotta venture off into the men's section, because they have little jewels over there that you don't see. I'm still not 100% sure I'm going to keep it because it you know, it's a piece of history. It's like Fendace, like why not? But it's also like, do I need it? Do I love it? Do I really like it though. Like, can I wear it as a belt bag too? Could we? You know what? We're here, right? Give me a second. I think I might have just cracked the code, guys. I've never been so happy to be fat. I am on the smallest setting. Are we loving her? Around the waist? Are we? Oh, did I just do something? That might have changed it for me. Did not think to wear this as a belt bag. If you are plus size, you got some play area if you wanted to wear this as a belt bag. Now, it is a small bag. Let me get my phone. So this is Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yeah. So she is a very small bag, but the phone fits though. And it got card slots in it. I typically don't do what's in my bags and what fits in my bags right now, but we're gonna just do it. We're here. Okay, we got some of the essentials, guys. All right, so phone's in there. Wallet, let's throw her in there. Gotta do the keys, gotta do the keys. Okay, the keys are a little too bulky to actually put it. I don't want to stretch it out just in case I'm not keeping it. Okay, let's take out the phone. Let's take off the phone first. Let's do my essential, which is keys, wallet, card holder. See, technically I don't need a card holder because it has the card slots in there. Let's do lotion, earbuds. That's like my main essentials. Okay, let's do a little Tetris. You're gonna go there. You're gonna go on top. Oh my God, it's changing. We can throw some coins. Can we throw coins in there? I wouldn't put a coin purse in there, but keys, wallet. I probably could actually. We're gonna stick the phone in there. We're just gonna do it. We're being adventurous. I took out my lotion. I'm gonna put my phone in here. Wallet, phone, keys, earbuds, lotion. Now that I can wear it as a belt bag, that kind of changes everything, right? And y'all know I don't like a pouchy belt bag. I like something close to the body and kind of sturdy. And because it's not super wide, it's literally like a 2-finger width. I think I might have just did something, guys. Oh, child. Okay, I gotta sleep on this because my excitement is just a little skewed. At the time I'm filming this, it's available on both Fendi and Versace sites. But the price of this is way better than the little small nano baguette. That to me, I know tiny bag energy is a thing. If that's your sort of thing, go for it. Love that for you. But I need to carry something with me. And because I believe this is possibly either the same price or cheaper than that little nano baguette, I think I got a little winner here. So yeah, this was my Fendace unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in seeing the video to my lovely Versace earrings, I'm gonna put that bong bong up top, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.